Hello, beta. Now listen to me. Be careful. This is a circle. What is given? Very important thing. AB is parallel to CD. Yes, AB is parallel to CD. Do you remember what things will be used? What concept will be used here is related to this parallel thing. Two parallel lines, and if you will intersect, one line will be intersected. Let's suppose AB and CD, two parallel lines, and one PQ passes through here. Do you remember what will happen? This angle will be equal to this angle, or this angle will be equal to this angle will be, that is alternate interior angles, these two. These are consecutive angles. Am I right? And these, the sum of these two will be 180 degree. These alternate interior angles will be equal, like this angle will be equal to this. These will be consecutive angles corresponding. So here the same concept. See, AB is parallel to CD. This angle is 90 degree. First, if from origin one chord perpendicular, then what will happen? Perpendicular bisector. It will be definitely. Now the other thing, parallel lines 90 degree, one line intersect, then this angle should be equal to this angle 90 degree, then this will be also be 90 degree. One more thing. One very important, which will actually solve this problem, is these two lines are parallel, and this is a diameter, straight line diameter intersect these two lines. Then this angle will be equal to this angle because alternate interior angle. Let's suppose if this is theta, then this will be theta. So you tell me how we will solve this problem. Now it is solved. See here, two triangles. Take this triangle and take this triangle. Triangle OEB and triangle OFC. OFC. What will do? See. One. This side is equal to this side. Why? See, this is radius OB and OC. This is also radius. So OB is equal to OC is equal to R. Side. Equal sides of two triangles. Now, angle. This angle OFC is equal to angle OEB is equal to 90 degree. That means angle. And one more. Angle this EBO, angle EBO is equal to angle OEC, OCF equal to angle OCF. You understood? OBE this and angle OCF this. These two angles are equal. Why? Because AB is perpendicular parallel to CD, and diameter line BC is passing through them. तो इस कारण से क्या होगा बेटा? So what will happen? These two angles are equal. Why? Because दो parallel line है, एक line intersect करेंगे तो ये line as alternate interior angle. अब क्या हो गया? This is S, A and A. From ASA, both the triangles are congruent. So what we will write? Triangle OEB is congruent to triangle OFC. अब ये दोनों congruent है तो क्या हो गया बेटा? This side is equal to this side. That means side, what is this side? EB is equal to side FC. Side EB is equal to side FC. If both sides are equal, now as we know OE is perpendicular to AB देन थ्योरम के हिसाब से ए, ये किस पे था, ई पे, हाँ, ए ई इज इक्वल टू ई बी. द सेम वे as OF is perpendicular to CD, hence CF is equal to FD, and here CF means FC is equal to EB, that is EB C, and EB is equal to AE. So C, FC is equal to EB, FC is equal to EB, and EB is equal to AE. EB is equal to AE. That means AB is equal to, we can write AB is equal to, as both are equal, AE plus EB, and equal to, we can write 2EB. The same way here, we can write CD is equal to CF plus FD, and it is equal to CF plus FD, and both are equal because perpendicular, bisector. And so what we prove, this equal to this, so write down like CF plus CF means 2CF, both are equal, so we can write CF plus CF as FD, and both are equal to 2CF. And anyway, what we proved, that EB is equal to CF. EB is equal to CF we proved. So if EB is equal to CF, that means 2EB is equal to 2CF, and 2EB is equal to AB is equal to 2CF is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD proof. Proof. You are telling that it's not the question of proving AB is equal to CD. Yes, this is the question. AB is equal to given 10 centimeter. So CD is equal to, and AB is equal to CD. So 10 centimeter. Answer. So सिंपल बेटा, एक्चुअली मैंने प्रूव किया है ऐसे. अगर आप गौर करो तो बहुत सिंपल था. सिंपल, AB CD ये 90 डिग्री, इस पे ये है तो ये बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, ये 90 है तो ये भी 90 होगा बेटा. अब ट्राइंगल ये बना लो, ऐसे ऑलरेडी पिक्चर में बना हुआ है. ये रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है. अब चूंकि बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है तो ये इसके इक्वल है, बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है तो ये भी इसके इक्वल है. ये रेडियस. अब देखो, ये दोनों पैरेलल है, ये लाइन इसको इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है तो ये एंगल इसको, तो ये एंगल, ये 90 है, ये एंगल ये इसके इक्वल हो गया, और ये आर आ गया. दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गया बेटा ट्रायंगल. अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये साइड इसको टू ये साइड हो गया. अब ये साइड अगर इसके बराबर हुआ तो इसका डबल है ये पूरा. अगर ये इसके बराबर है तो ये डबल है, इसी का डबल है, तो AB इक्वल टू CD हो गया. और AB का वैल्यू 10 सेंटीमीटर, तो CD का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा, 10 सेंटीमीटर. आंसर. बाय बेटा. Now I am sending you the video.